welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, welcome to my channel, and if you're not, then welcome back. And in today's video, what we're going to be doing is reviewing Lovely Wholesale's clothing. And one thing that Lovely Wholesale is known for, like if you don't know them, is that their clothing doesn't come in like exactly like the photo. But all the stuff I got, like that, they were like perfect. And one thing you have to keep in mind, like I take my time when I'm shopping. Like when I'm shopping, I make sure I check the reviews, the size charts, and everything to make sure everything is perfect. I have to keep that in mind, that I take my time. And if you don't take your time, you just buy like random stuff, like of course you might get something that's like a miss, because their stuff are cheap. They're like really cheap and affordable. So if you want to buy something for real cheap, some of the stuff might like come low quality, like in your own opinion or whatever, however you want to like state something that's low quality or not. But I feel like either way you get what you pay for, like the price you pay, you basically get what you paid for. But for these, the stuff that I personally found, to keep in mind, like all these cheap websites, like all the cheap websites, anything that's like low price, you have to keep in mind like they might be bad. But these, all the stuff I got, I personally think that they're great quality, and I'll give you guys my like personal like opinion and describe them to let you guys know what you guys are getting. But all the stuff I got, like I really like. Some of them are like they're like on the like okay side, but I still love everything that I got. So now let's get into this haul and show you guys everything that I got. This is the first thing I got, and here is the pants. It's like this set, and this is like a royal, like a rich type of blue. Here's like the bottoms, and the bottoms are like cargo pants. They have like side pockets and stuff like that. And here the bottoms, it's not cuffed or nothing, it's just like regular sweatpants. And I think I got this in a size small, just so you guys know. I just followed like the sizing chart given. And here is the top that I got, and it's just like this like crop top. It says thank you next, and then it has like the zipper here, and it was just a two-piece set and it came together. For this, like my personal opinion is that it's great quality. It's like velvet and very soft, and the inside is like, I don't know if you guys can see, it's just like this. I don't know about this material, but it is stretchy. I really like it. It's cute and I love the color. So I 100% recommend this if you guys are looking for a two-piece set, especially that's velvet or blue. I'm not sure if there's any other more colors, but this is the first thing I got, which I 100% love. Second thing I got here is this brown top, and if you guys don't know me or don't know, I love brown. Like I literally love brown. So this is also a one size. Like I love brown, and this top is like this, and it's like tight and everything. It's not cropped, so finally I don't have something that's cropped for winter, because all I own is crop tops. But I might cut this, maybe, I don't know, because I need full-on tops for winter since it does get cold. But here is a top that I got, and this is in a one size. If I'm sure, like this isn't a one size, and I feel like since I'm a small, like it fits me, but it does like have like a lot of stretch, like look at that. And if you stretch it like a lot, it doesn't get see-through. And I have it folded. I don't know if you can tell, but I have it folded because it fit me long in my arms because I'm short. But yeah, this top is good quality, and they have like multiple different colors, but I got brown because I love brown and I think it's pretty cute. Another plus about this is that it's thick and it's soft, and I feel like it will keep me warm for the winter. And I can also like use this like for layered clothing, like throw a jacket on or a top over or whatever. So yeah, this is the second piece that I got, and I 100% recommend it. The next thing that I got here are these like sweats, and these are in a size medium. What I like about these is that it has these pockets on the side and they look like sweats, but when you do put them on, keep in mind like they are like kind of thin. They don't have the soft material on the inside, but I still like them. They're still cute and still wearable, but just know that these aren't like really thick. They're just like on the more the thinner side, but for what you paid for, like I feel like it's worth it. And it does have the cuff on the bottom, and they're like sweat joggers or whatever, and they are in this like camel like yellow tone. And I got these in medium because I followed the sizing chart. So here is the pockets and everything, and this is like really cute. I would recommend this, but if you're looking for something thicker, I do not recommend this. If you are looking for something that's thick, this is not your go-to, but see, I personally don't mind if it's like thick or not, so I still recommend this and I think it's cute. Now the next thing I got, which I think these are super cute, and these are some jeans, and here are the back of the jeans, and let me wait to turn them around because they have these butterflies, and these were trending like, I don't know what year, but these were like trending, and I never had the money to get them, so I never got them. But if they're out of style, I really don't care because I got them, and I'd probably wear them if I find like a cute top and like pair it up and have an outfit for it. But other than that, I probably only wear these like on special occasions or something. But here are the bottoms, and they have these like butterflies in different colors, and the bottom right here is like this flared out jean, which I love, and I think they are high-waisted, and I got these in a size small, I'm pretty sure. Let me check for you guys because I don't want to give you guys the wrong sizing. Yeah, I got it in a size small. It's right here, but you could barely see it. But yeah, I got these in a size small, and I also followed the sizing chart, and I think these are pretty cute and they're unique too. Now the next thing I got is another pair of jeans, but these are Patchwork jeans, and if you never heard of them, they're basically jeans that basically what they're called, like patchwork. And here's the front of it, like all of this, like this is all super cute, and these are in a size small, and the back is also like ripped from here, but it's just like this plain color. Yeah, and here are like all the different like colors of denim. So it has like a light denim, a dark denim, and then like a medium blue like wash, and then like the same. Those are only the 3 color denims that I find on these pair of jeans, so I think these are pretty cute. And the quality on these are like regular jeans. They're not like skinny jeans, or they're not like denims. They're like in between, so they have like a bit of stretch, and then they don't have stretch like at the same time. But yeah, I got these in a size small, and I also followed their sizing chart to find my size, and here they are. And I think these are pretty cute, and I feel like this will look really cute with like a white top and some cute shoes, like not some cute shoes, but like some good shoes for this. And then this will be like the next pair of jeans that I got are these other Patchwork jeans, but these are in a black, and these are more of like the same like denim color. You can kind of tell this one's darker and this one's lighter, but it doesn't have a lot of different colors. But if you can see in the back, it also does carry like a lighter shade and a darker shade, but it's just like washed out and then washed in or whatever. And the back for these are actually do have patchwork in the back, and I think these are in a size small if I'm correct. Yes, I got these in a size small. And these jeans, I do not know what top would look cute with these yet. If you guys have any recommendations, let me know, because I'm not sure what top I should wear these. But here are the back of them, and I think they're pretty cute. So yeah, the only thing I don't like is like this part right here, but you can always like cut it off, but I don't really mind it as much. But that's just the look of the jean, like all distressed and then patchwork. So these, I actually think these are cute, and this material is the same like the last jeans. At the end of the video, that's everything I got. I know this is a short video because I only got like 6 items from them, and I hope all the stuff that I got, you like them, so you can also purchase them yourself. And if anything, just know, follow their sizing chart. Do not go with your original size, because for each of their clothing, they have their unique, I guess, special measurements for that piece of clothing only. So do not think that if you're a size small on one pair, you're a size small for everything, because they all run differently. So make sure you guys check the sizing chart, and make sure you guys measure your body, because that's exactly what I did. And I'll keep my measurements down in the description, what sizes I got in the description also, so you guys can go ahead and follow that as the reference. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye guys.